The deceased person, Mr. Mang Boilal, his last words were that Major Alok shot him. After the firing, he lived for another 3 or 4 hours, but unfortunately he passed away. And it is his personal witness and in his personal testimony that he was shot at by Major Alok of 44 AR Banglabung outpost. The police are here. Why are they afraid to arrest such a person who has gone in his civil clothes? Yes, the CEO claims that he is a central government employee. He cannot be arrested. There is AFSPA. He cannot be arrested. He is an army officer. He cannot be arrested. No. He went on his personal work, not on duty. He went in civil clothes with 4 of his men, brandishing their gun. And he killed an innocent civilian. Now what is the police waiting for? ASP is here. OC in charge is here. Why are you not arresting him? If you do not arrest him, we will take him, yeah? Do your duty. That is all we are requesting.